Coach Jong and our player of the game, Paul Policarpio. Coach Jong, Lo Kevin Alas, Mike Watkins, and foul trouble as well. Can you walk us through the adjustments that you had to make tonight, especially those had to make on the fly given these circumstances?
Wala naman adjustments. I just think that everybody had their mindset to contribute to this game. Alam nila naman na gaano ka-importante yung laro ngayon. So everybody just had the mindset and yung will nila na makakontribute maski pa paano sa larong ito. And hindi naman namin kontrolado yung result, pero yung chance na manalo today, binigyan nila sa nilang chance.
Coach Robbie Herndon, he played limited minutes in the last few games. Anthony Samaran, this is his comeback game after an injury. How big were they for you tonight?
Yeah, malaking bagay. Yeah. Tony was great. He was able to come back. It was a big help for us. Mas maganda, mas madali yung rotation between Brandon and Tony, and I had Paulie play the 4. Pagsayo naman kay Herndon kasi sabi mo kulang ang minuto niya kanina. So, nabigyan ko ng minuto. So, yun.
Paulie, conference high for you tonight. Congratulations. Ano ba ang naging expectations ng coach sa'yo at sa'yo rin sa sarili mo? Lalo na nung nag-foul trouble si Mike kaya nag-step up again.
Yun, binigay ko lang yung best ko, yung binigay ng opportunity ni Coach Jong sa akin, hindi ko sinayan lahat ng assistant coach. Binigyan ako ng opportunity para makapaglaro, ipakita ko yung kaya ko gawin.
Ano ba yung strengths mo na na-utilize mo tonight, Paulie? Kaya tumaas rin yung tiwala ng coach sa'yo, tsaka tumaas rin yung kumpiyansa mo sa sarili mo.
Ayun, wala naman. Sumusunod lang ako sa system, yung game plan namin, yung coach. Yun.
Thanks, Paulie. We are now opening the floor to the media.
Congratulations. What swings keeps you in striking distance of San Miguel sa 8th spot?
Yes.
Right now, with 2 games left, you have Rangers and Eastern, two top teams.
Alam namin na long shot, pero at least may shot. That's all we can rely on now, na may shot pa rin kami. So we will take every chance we can get para makapasok sa next round. So I know na some are under our control, some are not, pero still, sabi ko nga na meron pa rin opportunity, may oportunidad pa rin. Maski gaano kalayo basta meron pa rin. So, yun ang mindset namin coming into the next 2 games. Or next game. Ang muna 2 games. Next game.
Coach Robert, back to his old ways after nagkasakit siya. So, kumusta siya past few days at paano siya recover?
Si Robert, maingat naman sa katawan niya. Yes, masama pakiramdam niya. But he is always in shape naman. And we know naman na he can deliver in end game or in crunch time. So, we know we can rely on him. Pero, ang importante, hindi lang naman siya today. Ang dami rin nag-contribute ng double figure in tonight's game. Kaya nanalo because maganda yung mga contribution ng iba. Kung sino man yung nilaro ko, kung sino man di ko nilaro, lahat may contribution yan.
What's mo lang kay Jonel playing yung ending na tonight, kumusta yung always figuring sa rotation mo?
Learner naman si Paulie. At the start, 4, 3, 4, so medyo nahihirapan talaga siya. So now we are trying to, now nagiging sanay na siya sa dalawang klaseng posisyon. And it gives time kasi, even sometimes kasi rookie siya, syempre. Unfair naman sa kanya na palipat-lipat yung posisyon niya, di ba? Sa first conference, 4 siya. At the start of this conference, 4 siya. Ngayon, 3 siya. So, give him some time to make the adjustment, but he's such a learning person or player na makaka-adapt naman siya as the season or the conference goes on.
Janelle, ang masabi ko dun sa sinabi sa inyo, coach.
Yun, sobrang thankful ako nila coach kasi every sa practice namin, tinuturuan talaga ako kahit maliit na pagkakamali lang, tinukunik ako yung test. Kaya thankful ako kila Coach Johnny at kila Coach Koji, lahat ng assistant coach.
Okay, that wraps it up. Thank you so much, Coach John, for congratulations.
Thank you. Good job.